2026 financial year has started from today. So what are you waiting for? Business owners has already started automating and using AI in the business. I'm going to show you how just by connecting your WhatsApp with AI, you can create a support bot. And for creating this connection, you don't need any coding and programming skills. You just need Pabbly Chatflow, an amazing software that will help you to automate your business conversations easily and efficiently in your business. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. I have created this amazing AI assistant that you can see on the screen that resolves queries of your customers 24/7. An amazing WhatsApp AI system that replies your queries, your customers' queries automatically. As a customer to this AI assistant, I will ask certain questions and check whether I receive the reply or not. My first question is, I want to understand how your company ensures ethical sourcing and manufacturing. You can explain your supplier verification process and how you maintain the fair labor prices. I have a clothing manufacturing company, so that is why this question is related to that. So I will send this question to this AI assistant on WhatsApp as a customer. It will take few seconds for this AI assistant to process the question and generate and send the reply back to me. So I will wait over here for a few seconds. So this is the reply. Thanks. Here's how Urban Weave ensures ethical sourcing and fair manufacturing, summarized from our company practices and policies. You can see right over here, this is the summary, a detailed reply from this AI assistant. Now let me ask a different type of question to this AI assistant. That is, I am planning to start a clothing resale business both offline and through Instagram. Can you guide me how your wholesale model supports new resellers like me in terms of pricing predictability, inventory stability, and product selection? I will send this next question to this bot. Now let's see how the reply comes back to me and what's the reply that's coming. I'm not typing any of the responses, guys. I just want to tell you an AI is replying to all the queries. Just like this, whenever your customer is going to ask any simple or difficult question related to your business, in a similar manner, this AI is going to automatically generate and send the reply back to the customer. So remember that I am not typing any of the answers. You will see in front of you that I will receive the response to this question automatically with the help of this AI system bot. Okay, you can see in front of you the reply has been received to me. I didn't send the reply. Great, congratulations on starting this venture. Below I have outlined exactly how Urban Weave's wholesale model is designed to support new sellers selling both offline and on Instagram. You can see right over here, this is the reply that is generated. Pricing predictability, you can see inventory and stability, logistics. Everything has been mentioned point by point with details. And if you don't understand any of the details from the reply, you can ask that to this AI assistant as well. And AI assistant is going to explain that answer to you. Okay. So now as you are instantly replying to the queries, you can see this AI assistant is instantly replying so much detail to every queries. The leads that is generated on WhatsApp is going to turn into your paid customer because you are on point. That means you're replying on time. Queries are resolved. As the queries are resolved, leads are going to have a clear mindset and they can purchase and become your paid customers. So this is how this AI assistant is going to work according to the customer's point of view. Now let me show you how you can create this AI assistant for your business, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. In order to do that, you have to just simply browse pabbly.com/Chatflow on a new tab, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here. And as you will do that, you will receive 100 free credits every month. And using that 100 credits, you can check out and test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow right away. That means sign up for free from here, create this AI assistant that I have created absolutely for free without paying single price. As you will test it out, if you like it, then you can purchase our yearly or lifetime deal plans, with the help of which not just AI assistant, you can manage your WhatsApp using amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now over here, if you want to purchase any of our plans, I have a gift for you. That is the secret coupon code. The code that you can see on the left side of the screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals. Go ahead, purchase our plan and automate your WhatsApp conversations. Okay. So now create your account, create the entire setup and open Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard like this. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number and want to learn about all the features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the videos added in the description section below. I've added all the links. Okay. To create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant section right over here. And after coming to this section, in order to add a new assistant, click on this add AI assistant button. Name your AI assistant right here and add the AI assistant from here. And as soon as you will do that, the AI assistant is going to be created. Now we have to fill in certain sections and the AI assistant is going to be created as well. First is AI instructions, under which first I have to select the instruction type. For that, I will select over here as AI agent. You can set up your own instruction type or select the other types according to your requirement. And then according to the type, the rules and instructions of this particular type is going to appear right here. If you want, you can add in or eliminate the points according to your requirement at this section. Now, next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1. 0 being very focused replies from the assistant towards your customers or leads, 1 being creative replies. I want to reply between 0 and 1, so that is why I've selected as 0.5 right here. AI to use, currently you have the option of OpenAI only, so I will select over here as OpenAI. And for the model, I will select it as GPT-5 mini. You can select the model according to your requirement. Next, you have to enter the API key. So for the API key, directly go towards this hyperlink and you will come to the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Simply generate the key from here. You can name the key whatever you want. Select the project, permission, give all the permissions, generate the token, copy this token that is generated, paste it down in the field and click on this connect button. That is how you create the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Next is assistant settings. If you want header and footer message, you can add in that according to your requirement by toggling the button on. Next, if you want stop keywords, you can add that as well as retry attempt. Okay. Last is fallback message. This message is only going to be forwarded when this API key is not responding. Then this message is going to be forwarded. If you want, you can edit that message as well. After instructions, text is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a very important part of this AI assistant. AI should know what is your business all about. Then only it can resolve the queries, right? So how can this AI know about your business? For that, we have this knowledge source. That's a knowledge base, a document where you have explained about your business in detail. Tell about your business point by point in this document. This is a dummy document that I've created. You have your own business. You have to create a lengthy document. You can create n number of pages document. If it is a text document, you can create a document with n number of pages, explain about your business, and then simply upload that document right here from this button. So this is my knowledge base. I will upload it right here where I've explained everything about my business. Okay. Within few seconds, this knowledge base is going to be uploaded and you can see this knowledge base in knowledge sources section. You will see the vector ID. That means the knowledge base has uploaded. Okay. Two types of files are accepted, TXT and PDF. If the PDF file has images, 10 pages is the limit. Okay. Next is assistant interface and styling. These two sections are mandatory for those who are uploading this AI on their website, who is adding this AI assistant on their website. If you want an assistant like this on your website, like this on the corner, you can do that with Pabbly Chatflow as well. If you want to add in your brand name, okay, so my brand name is Urban Weave Clothing Co. So simply I'm going to copy it right here and paste my brand name. And you can see it has been edited on this AI assistant as well. If you want to edit other things, you can do that according to your requirement. I will skip the part because I am just showing you, okay? Because I'm just demonstrating what you can do. Next is user's first message. So you have to enter the first usual message that user directly sends towards your AI assistant. If they're contacting your AI assistant directly, not from your website, what is the first usual question the users ask? You have to enter that right here. Assistant interface is done. Styling. If you have a business, you have your own branding, your own colors. If you want to change any of it according to your website's branding and colors, you can definitely do that from the styling section. I will skip the part. And the assistant has been created. Simple, very simple it is. You don't have to have any coding and programming skills knowledge. Now to activate this assistant, very simple, toggle the button on and save the assistant from here. In order to add this assistant on your website, go to embedded, copy the script, paste down on your website code. Assistant will be added there as well. So as now the entire creation of this AI assistant has been done, Let me ask one last question towards this AI assistant and let's see whether it's replying to my query or not. So my last question is, I run a multi-location retail business and have previously faced issues with inconsistent fabric quality and sizing variations across batches. Can you explain in detail how quality assurance process ensures uniformity for raw material inspection and final dispatch? A very detailed question I've asked, so that let's see if AI can reply to a very difficult question of mine or not. Okay, so I have forwarded this question towards this AI assistant. Now let's see how this AI assistant is going to give me the reply, or is this AI assistant is going to give me the reply or not. Okay, so I'm going to wait over here for a few seconds. And I have received this reply. Thanks, I understand how damaging inconsistent fabric and sizing can be for a multi-location retailer. Below is the detailed stage-by-stage explanation of Urban Weave's quality assurance system and how each step is designed to deliver uniformity across batches. And you can see I have received this detailed reply. It is a very detailed reply, you can see right over here. So as I have received this reply successfully, this means this AI assistant has been created. If you want to automatically enable this AI assistant on the users charts who are asking questions, in that case simply go to settings and inbox settings section. In inbox settings you have to scroll down till the end and enable this AI auto reply setting. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this AI assistant to. Select the assistant from this drop down right over here. This is my assistant, and save this rule right over here. Now to all the contacts, this AI assistant is going to be automatically enabled. With that, if you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular chart, for that go to inbox section, select the contact to whom you want to automatically enable this AI assistant to, click on this choose AI assistant option and select the assistant from the drop down. Now this AI assistant that we have created will be automatically enabled to this specific contact right here. So this is how you create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have questions related to this entire creation, you can comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.